Hello everyone, welcome back. My teeth whitening journey continues. In today's video, I will be trying out the Rapid White bleaching strips. I am still on the journey to find a good teeth whitening kit that I can use at home. So I went into the drugstore and picked up this one. This is a bit of a more serious thing because I do believe that this has peroxide in it, but I am going to try it out today. And it's also a better deal because this has like 10 strips in it. The previous one had 5, but the price is just a little bit higher. So hopefully it will work out for us. So this kit comes with the strips. This is the developer, I think. And then it also comes with a whitening toothpaste. So that should be interesting. And now I would have to, I believe, put the developer underneath. Let me see how it's done. Yeah, so this is the developer and this is the applicator. It's like a sponge tip. It's quite interesting. And you have to put this on your teeth and then the strips on it. So it's gonna be a little bit interesting. And then I cannot eat. It's only taken 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just reading the box here. And then you cannot eat or drink for 15 minutes, which I will be able to do, but hopefully I will be done faster with this. I'm quite intrigued, so let's try it. Let me get a mirror. Okay, now I have several mirrors pointed at me because there is another one beside the camera. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are the strips. Okay, upper one is on. Now the bottom teeth. Okay, see you in 5 minutes. Okay, so the time was up, and as I've included in the clip, I did brush my teeth with the whitening toothpaste, and the whole thing dissolved. It wasn't like a strip that you put on and then you take off. The whole thing just dissolved totally, and it tasted like lemons, but you're not supposed to swallow it, and it's interesting. And I think that my teeth are whiter. Though it did say in the box that it takes a week for like visible results, but I think it's already better. So I'm quite optimistic about this one. And I think I would have to film some updates, so see you later. Okay guys, so this is day 2 of me using this teeth whitening kit. Actually, it's been a few days because it is bleach, so I kind of wanted to give a few days for my teeth. But I think they are lighter than they were before, so I'm really excited about this. Now let's get in with this again. Okay, so after the second use, I think it's much better. It's much better. I am optimistic about this one. See you for the third. Okay, so this is the last time me using this, like on camera at least. Alright, so here are my teeth after. And this is the last time I'm gonna use this on camera. So, to conclude, my teeth are a tiny bit whiter, but since it is basically bleach, it's just kind of hurting my teeth a little bit. And I feel like that they are more sensitive every time I use this product. Like after I used it, if I drink something cold, if I drink something warm, it's just a bit more sensitive than it usually would be. I have to say, probably the best thing about the whole thing is the toothpaste, is the whitening toothpaste. It's a tiny bit better than the other teeth whitening kit I used, but just not the real thing. And because it is bleach, I don't think I'm gonna use it like much more because it's just hurting my teeth and I don't like that. So, and actually for the amount of damage it's causing, it's not doing like that much good. So it's not whitening my teeth so much that it would be worth the pain afterwards or whatever. So, okay, so this is my review of the Rapid White bleaching strips. So I'm still on the hunt for a really good teeth whitening kit that probably wouldn't hurt and wouldn't cost you an arm and a leg, and you could use it at home. So I'm still on the hunt for that. So I'm still on the quest for the perfect at-home whitening kit for your teeth. I did buy another one, so I'm looking forward to using it and trying it. So please stay tuned for the next time I try a different teeth whitening product. And until then, guys, bye bye.